Hi, Kelly Motherwell Products. Today I'm here to introduce a couple new products we have for the RH975 Nightster. First off, I'd like to start off with this beautiful rigid mounted Sissy bar. It is built to flow with the lines of your bike, giving it an extra little style. This unit is 18 inches from where your seat pillion would be to the top is 18 inches. Not too high, not too low. You can buy this unit with or without a pad. All the mounting hardware is included and come in a gloss black powder coated finish. Now let's take it a step further with functionality. If you're heading out on the road, you're going to want our detachable luggage rack. It's a 5x8 flat carrying surface. It's beautifully designed with clean lines. Now let me show you what this looks like all together. We've made this Sissy bar luggage rack combo to really complement the bike. If your passenger is looking for a little bit of comfort and security, we have this easy installable pad. If you're looking for a spectacular setup with different options for your 975 Nightster, click the link below and enter the code Motherwell10 for 10% off any product in our store. Have a great day and ride safe.